Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Ansys-Tutor. In this video, we will learn how to add materials in the ANSYS Workbench. Click on Engineering Data. Structural steel is the default material. In the Engineering Data section, you need to change it as per your requirement. These are the properties of the available material. You can add material properties that vary with variations in temperature. This graph shows the variations in material properties with temperature. Generally, the reference temperature is taken as ambient temperature. You can assign the reference temperature as per your requirement. You can get various material properties from this library. It contains different types of metals, non-metals, and also different kinds of composites. Click on plus sign to add this material to your program. Now see that the new material has been added. We have now two selected material. Structural steel was by default present previously, and we now added aluminium alloy. There is a toolbox on the left. It contains the material properties. Those are not there in the material library. You can drag the required property into the selected material and assign the value. You can also delete the undesired properties. Let's suppress the default material property. You can also delete the default material if it's not required in the current analysis. Now let's see how to assign the selected materials into the geometry. Let's create a model of 2 layers of material. Always remember to create different parts in different sketches. Now to assign the materials into different parts. As we have not added the second material, so need to add now by going to Engineering Data section, as we have done previously. Let's select the second material as stainless steel. As we have suppressed the default material, so here there is no material assigned to the geometry. Now we need to assign the materials to different parts as per our requirement. We have assigned the lower part as stainless steel, and upper part as aluminum. Subscribe to our channel for more ANSYS tutorial videos.